In this video, I'll explain you how to auto-generate the table of contents in a Word file and auto-update them whenever there are changes. Moreover, I will also show the numbering of chapters and editing styles of the table of contents. First, let's create titles of chapters in the Word file. I select text style as heading 1 and keep the title as introduction, which contains subchapters scope and purpose. These subchapters use styles heading 2. After introduction, I would like to have a generic chapter name as Chapter 1. This Chapter 1 contains subchapters, subsections and sub-subsections. Here I have even used text styles heading 3 and heading 4. One can use heading 5 till heading 9. This is a maximum the MS Word can support. Lastly, I'll add conclusion as a last chapter. To generate numbering to these titles, I'll do the following. First, I'll select all the titles, go into the multi-level list, and then select the one with headings multi-level. This automatically numbers the headings in the Word file but also numbering to the heading styles in the menu bar. I'll show you what I mean in few moments. Now let's insert the table of contents. For this I must go to References and select the table of contents. There are various styles of table of contents that can be found here. I chose the first one in this video. One can customize this table of contents upon selecting the Custom Table of Contents option below Table of Contents under References. This will pop up a window with options to modify the current table of contents. Under General, one can adjust the level of titles they want to see in the table of contents. By default it is having 3 levels of titles in the table of contents. Upon changing it to 4 and pressing OK, the table now contains subsection 1 as well. One can also customize formats. Here I am showing an example. There is also an option to align the page numbers to right and then fill the blank space with dots or dashes or lines or none. Let's add reference chapter by selecting heading text style. This time you can notice that title is updated with number automatically. Let's go and update the table of contents. I have selected Update Entire Table option and you can see the table of contents has been updated. Similarly, I am adding one more chapter for appendix and a subchapter in it. This time I have decided to remove numbering for this chapters. If I go and press update table again, this time you can notice the table updated without numbers before the last added chapters. This is how one can automatically create table of contents and update them when there are changes without doing it manually. I hope this video helped.